Hi everyone, Harley from McCormack's Auto Service. It's time to draw 2 lucky winners from our Easter promo that we've been running. For all cars serviced, your name's gone into a little cooler here and you have the chance of winning a night, 2 nights accommodation down the Gold Coast. And for our 4-wheel drive and SUV drivers, you've gone into a separate draw for a Premier ARB recovery kit. So I'm about to draw them out, and best of luck, and I hope you win. So I'll start with the car side. And the winner is Sam Formosa. Congratulations, Sam. Yourself and your partner got 2 nights accommodation down the Gold Coast on McCormack's Auto Service. I'll put your name there. And for the 4-wheel drives is Michael Thomas. Congratulations, Michael. You have won the ARB Premier 4-wheel drive recovery kit. So we will be in contact in just after Easter so we can arrange delivery and of your prizes. And congratulations. Thanks everyone for getting their car serviced at McCormack's Auto Service. Have a happy and safe Easter and see you next time.